Hola amigos! Welcome back to Infinite Languages. Today we are going to learn the names of some delicious fruits in Spanish and also learn a fun fact about each one. Let's get started. First off, we have the apple. In Spanish, it's called manzana. Can you say manzana? Perfecto! Did you know that in Spain, giving a manzana to a teacher is a sign of respect and appreciation? Next is the banana or plátano in Spanish. Repeat after me. Plátano. Great. In many Latin American countries, plátanos are often fried to make delicious snacks called tostones. Here we have the orange, which is naranja in Spanish. Say it with me, naranja. Did you know that Valencia, Spain is famous for its sweet and juicy naranjas? Next is the cherry or cereza in Spanish. Try saying cereza. Excellent. Cherries are a popular fruit in Spain, especially in summer, and they are often used in delicious desserts. This is a strawberry or fresa in Spanish. Repeat, fresa. Strawberries are grown in many regions of Spain, and there is even a town called Lepe that's famous for its sweet fresas. Next we have the mango, which is also mango in Spanish. Easy, right? Mangoes are very popular in tropical areas of Latin America, especially in Mexico, where they are often eaten with chili and lime. Here is a watermelon or sandía in Spanish. Say sandía. Great! In Spain, sandía is a favorite summer treat to enjoy at the beach. This is a papaya or papaya in Spanish. Another easy one, right? Papayas are widely grown in the Canary Islands and they are known for their health benefits. Next is the pineapple, which is piña in Spanish. Try saying piña. Did you know that piñas are key ingredients in the famous Spanish drink piña colada? Here we have grapes or uvas in Spanish. Repeat, uvas. In Spain, it's a tradition to eat 12 uvas at midnight on New Year's Eve for good luck in their coming year. This is a pear or pera in Spanish. Say pera. Excellent. Peras are often enjoyed in Spain as a refreshing snack or in desserts. Next we have avocado, which is aguacate or palta in Spanish. Repeat after me. Aguacate. Palta. Avocados are a staple in many Latin American cuisine, especially in guacamole. Here is a fig or higo in Spanish. Say higo. Figs are very popular in Spain, especially in the Mediterranean regions, and are often used in both sweet and savory dishes. Now let's talk about the kiwi, which is kiwi in Spanish too. Easy, right? Repeat after me. Kiwi. Did you know that kiwis are not originally from Spain but have become quite popular? They are often grown in the region of Galicia, where the climate is perfect for producing these delicious and vitamin-rich fruits. Lastly, we have the blueberry, which is arándano in Spanish. Try saying arándano. Blueberries are not as common in Spain, but they are gaining popularity due to their health benefits. Muy bien amigos, now you know the names of some delicious fruits in Spanish and some fun facts about them. Don't forget to practice and try these fruits whenever you can. Do remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Hasta la próxima. Adiós.